Good morning, students. This is Manju Singh, and I have come with a long gap with another video of Geography class 10th. Today is 20th of July 2020. See what has happened that CBSE has reduced the syllabus of social science and other subjects also, in which as I am taking geography, so we were going to study chapter number 5, but now we don't have to study this chapter. This chapter has been deleted, but only map practice will be done. Means map practice will be asked. Map will be asked in board examination. So we'll see the minerals, some of the minerals which are very important, and where are they located in the country. See, we are studying about Indian geography, so only India will be asked. Only the states of India, places of India will be asked. The first thing is coal. कोल यानी कोयला. व्हाट आर द यूजेस ऑफ कोल? इससे हम लोग घर में चूल्हा जला सकते हैं, इससे हम लोग बिजली उत्पादन कर सकते हैं. तो कोल कहाँ कहाँ मिलता है? कोल इज़ फाउंड इन बोकारो, झरिया एंड रानीगंज बेल्ट. बोकारो एंड झरिया आर इन झारखंड एंड रानीगंज इज इन वेस्ट बंगाल. Then some other important places where coal is found are Singrauli, which is in Madhya Pradesh, Talcher, which is in Andhra Pradesh, and Neyveli, which is in Tamil Nadu. So you will have to study and you will have to practice over Indian map where these places are, where these mines are. Next one is oil fields, यानी पेट्रोलियम प्रोडक्ट्स हमको कहाँ कहाँ से मिलता है. ऐसे हमारे पास पेट्रोलियम प्रोडक्ट्स बहुत कम हैं. हम लोग जो हैं वो अधिकतर पेट्रोलियम प्रोडक्ट इंपोर्ट करते हैं, यानी कि अनदर कंट्री से मंगवाते हैं. फिर भी हमारे यहाँ कुछ हो जाता है, कुछ हम लोग जो है उसको माइन कर लेते हैं. तो जिसमें जितने भी पेट्रोलियम प्रोडक्ट्स हैं उसका आधा से ज़्यादा % इज़ टेकन आउट फ्रॉम मुंबई हाई, विच इज़ इन महाराष्ट्र. देन बसीन, इट इज़ ऑल्सो इन महाराष्ट्र एंड इन oil field. Then Ankaleshwar and Vadodara, they also give us oil, and they are in Gujarat. And Digboi, it is in Assam, and it is oldest oil field in India. Now we'll come to nuclear power plants. In India, there are 6 nuclear power plants which are very important. In nuclear power plants, they also produce heat and electricity with the help of thorium and uranium. First, we are going to see these 6 power plants. Though there are more than 300 thermal power plant where coal, petroleum and natural gas is used. So we won't have to remember so many, but this is only 6. Nuclear power plants are only 6, so we'll have to remember this. First one is in Narora, Uttar Pradesh, Rawat Bhata in Rajasthan, Kakrapara in Gujarat, Tarapur, which is in Maharashtra, and it is the oldest nuclear power plant of our country. Kalapakkam is in Tamil Nadu, and Kaiga, it is in Karnataka. Now some other mines like iron ore mines. We have large amount of iron ore. We are very rich in iron ore. Besides consuming by us, iron ore is also exported to other country. 2 very important mines you will have to remember, you will have to learn, you will have to see over the map. They are, one is Bailadila, means Bailadila, बैल का डीला. बैल means ox and डीला means hump. और ये है कहाँ? बस्तर डिस्ट्रिक्ट के छत्तीसगढ़ में. दूसरा है कुद्रेमुख. कुद्रेमुख मीन्स कर्नाटका में है, और ये भी एक आयरन और माइन है. और ये दोनों जगह जो है एक्सपोर्ट आयरन और माइन जो एक्सपोर्ट क्वालिटी का है वो प्रोड्यूस करता है. तो कुद्रेमुख का मतलब होता है, कुद्रे मीन्स हॉर्स और मुख मीन्स माउथ. मीन्स ये जो माइन है बैलाडीला, ये दिखने में ऑक्स के हम्प की तरह है, और कुद्रेमुख जो है वो हॉर्स के मुंह की तरह है, माउथ की तरह है. देन कम्स कॉपर माइंस. See, we are very deficient in copper. We don't have a large amount of copper, but whatever we have, it is sufficient for us, for our consumption. Very important iron or copper mine is in Balaghat in Madhya Pradesh state. It is very important. And you know that copper is a very essential mineral also, because it is used in making of wire, it is used in making of jewelry, it is used in making utensils, artifacts, and many other things. Then we'll come to mica अब्रक, इसका यूज़ इलेक्ट्रिकल गुड्स में होता है. इसके बिना इलेक्ट्रिकल और इलेक्ट्रॉनिकल appliances cannot be thought of. It is found in Hazaribagh and Kodarma in Jharkhand and Gaya in Bihar. It is also found in Rajasthan, but most abundant is in Hazaribagh, Kodarma and Gaya. Besides, there are many other minerals also, though we don't have to study this chapter, but still I want to say that salt is found in ocean water, manganese is found in ocean bed, then other minerals like gold, silver and platinum, which are very precious minerals, they are found in alluvial soil. So this was about chapter number 5, minerals. In next video we'll study about we'll study next chapter, chapter number 6, which is manufacturing industries. Okay, thank you, take care, goodbye.